All right, Saturday, we're at the bike shed. Some sport bike day. Some sport bikes there. Some here. Let's go inside. Some bikes here. A few bikes here. Chopper there. Italian my bike, Dominatrice, Herbs, Le Mans, 03, 04. It's my Moto Boyfriends.
Well, I'll be riding again next Saturday. Next week. So maybe not riding next Saturday.
Taking off, Dave? We'll talk tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
In the morning?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. We just finished up lunch. Looks like we got Burning Man shit going on there. Races.
For these Twins Cup riders that have tomorrow on the number 25.
Ooh, let's go down this dark corridor. These are private rooms, apparently. I don't know anything about them. Pretty amazing place. I did contempt prior to investigation on this place. Thought it was a bunch of posers. It's a bitchin' place. I love it. Got some booze there. Old motorcycle. Hi. Nice table, private room. Got all kinds of shit going on here. Barbershop. You're gonna have to get trimmed. Where you pick up your goods, all your provisions. There's Dave. Hi, Dave. Built Wells over here. Glitter helmet. That was Deirdre's helmet. Custom color she had. Good friend ended up with it. Fit him perfectly. Yeah, these hidden helmets. I remember those days fondly. Sad that she doesn't ride with me anymore, but we'll change that in Spain and Italy for sure. All kinds of goodies here. Whatever that is. Hooligan. Indian bikes. Norton, Infill, Himalayan. What is this over here? Another Indian. Nice. Quick walk around BSA. This place is fucking happening. I'm going to make an appointment, get my hair and my beard trimmed. What the fuck is this? What is this? That's pretty awesome. Oh, we got a tattoo parlor over here. Nice. Get yourself a tattoo, get yourself a haircut and a beard trim. I'll do that right away. It's time. I'm a bit fuzzy. And we're going out. Got a fucking giraffe there. And we're back at the beginning. That's it. The bike shed. Nice.